Welcome to the Tech Architect. My name is Imran Ashraf. Viewers, as we know that Windows 11 is almost ready to launch, therefore I have recorded a new video about the Windows 11 overview. It could be a series of video in future. In June 2021, Windows 11 was officially announced and it will be available in October 2021. For this video to record, I have installed Windows 11 Technical Preview. So let's start this video and we just get its overview. The new Windows 11 setup experience. Windows 11 setup experience, often referred to as the out of the box experience or OOBE for short, has been redesigned with the brand new colorful animated iconography and more modern light theme. The new setup experience is designed to build excitement for Windows 11 right from the moment you first turn on a new Windows 11 PC for a very first time. After running through the setup experience, the Get Started app is new first run experience app that will help you quickly get set up a new PC currently. Get Started has a limited number of pages, but over time they may add in more content to further educate and assist people to new Windows 11. So the next thing is Windows 11 hardware requirements. Its hardware requirements are processor 64-bit architecture at 1 gig or faster, Intel 8th generation or newer, AMD Ryzen 3 or better, Qualcomm Snapdragon 7C or higher, RAM 4GB or higher, storage 64GB or larger storage device, system firmware UEFI, secure boot capable, TPM trusted module, platform version 2, graphics card DirectX 12 or later capable, WDDM2 driver or newer, display high definition 720 pixel display, larger than 9-inch, diagonal in size, 8 bits per color, channel or better, internet connection MSA. Windows 11 Home Edition requires internet connectivity and Microsoft account to complete the setup at first use. The next slide is we will discuss about its features. Like if I show you the installed, I have installed already on my as my virtual machine. You can feel it's a beautiful, fresh, calm visuals and sound. This is the Windows 11 overview, and you can see it's beautiful, fresh, calm visuals and sound from rounded corners. You just notice that, and corners of centering of the content, it's in center. As you notice that the previously Windows 10, here the button was here and the icons were also in the taskbar in the left side, but you just notice that all icons are in the center. And if I click on the settings button, all the apps are showing here. Here's some key highlights that you will see after installing this build. First of all, the start puts everything you need your PC at the center with a set of pinned apps and cloud powered recommended section that shows your recently opened files from both your PC and across your devices like your smartphone with OneDrive. The taskbar is also centered with a beautiful new animation. Try pinning, launching, switching, minimizing and rearranging your apps on taskbar to see beautiful new animations. If you see the notification and quick setting in the lower right corner here, center in the home, you just notice this is the notifications and quick settings. You can also get it from Windows plus A or Windows plus N. uh, Quick settings in the place for you to manage common PC settings quickly and easily, like volume, brightness, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and focus assistant. Directly above your quick settings, you will see media playback control when playing music or videos in the Microsoft Edge, or streaming music in the apps like Spotify. The next thing is File Explorer. File Explorer is, you can see, this is the File Explorer. File Explorer is now modern with clean look and branded new command bar. Microsoft has also introduced beautifully designed context menu, and when right clicking in the File Explorer. Themes. In addition to the brand new default themes for Windows 11 for both dark and light mode, it also includes 4 additional themes, so you can make Windows feel that way you want it to. All the new themes were designed to complement the center taskbar. Also added new contrast themes for people with the visual impairment, such as light sensitivity. To change your theme, just right click on your desktop and choose the personalize. The next thing is the sounds. The sounds in the Windows 11 has been designed to be lighter and the more atmospheric. They are also slightly different depending on whether your Windows theme is in dark mode or the light mode. The startup sound for the Windows also makes its return, in which you will hear when your PC boots up to lock screen and the ready to go for you, the login. The next thing is widgets. Widgets bring you the closer information you both want and need. Just click on the widgets icon. This is the widgets icon. You just notice that here you can see, although we need to set up my Windows, so that's why it's I need to sign up with a Microsoft account, which I didn't log in, but you can see here the widgets taskbar. Swipe from the left using touch or Windows plus W on your keyboard, and your window gets slide out from the left over here in your desktop. You can personalize your experience by adding or removing widgets, rearranging, resizing, customizing, and the contents. The set of the widgets we provide currently focus on your calendar, whether the local traffic, your Microsoft to-do list, or your photos from the OneDrive, sports, and your stock watch list and tips. The next thing is multitasking. Increase your productivity and creativity with these new multitasking features. Snap layouts. Just hover over your mouse Windows, maximize the button to see available snap layout, then click on the zone to snap the windows. You will then guide it to snap windows to rest of the zones within the layout with the guided snap assist. For smaller stain, you will be offered to set up 4 snaps layout, and you can also invoke the snap layout in the layout flyout within the Windows keyboard. Press Windows plus Z, and you will notice that Windows plus Z, and here are the snap layout. You can make groups and you can whatever you want with this. The snap groups are also a way to easily switch back to your snapped windows to try out the snap together. And the next thing is the desktops. Access your desktops via task view, Windows key plus tab. On the taskbar, you can reorder the and customize the background for each of your desktop. You can also mouse over task view and the taskbar for quick access to the existing desktops to create new one. Here you can see these are the desktops. The next thing is the new Microsoft Store. With the today's build, you will be able to try out the early preview of the new Microsoft Store. Here you can see this icon is the Microsoft Store. You can see it's new. The next thing is docking. When you undock your laptop, the windows on your extended monitor you will be minimized. When you redock your computer to the monitor, Windows put everything back exactly where you had it before. You can find settings for these features under Systems, Display, Multiple Display, and you can get this. The next thing is input touch in inking and voice. Touch keyboard personalization. Basically, touch keyboard personalization, basically to personalize your Windows experience, we have designed 13. Basically, Microsoft has designed 13 new themes for the touch keyboard, including 3 hardware matching themes that match the surface colors. We have the Microsoft have also built a brand new themes engine that allows you to create a fully customized theme, building background images based on your feedback. Microsoft also introduced a setting to resize a touch keyboard. The next thing is voice typing launcher. The Microsoft's new voice typing launcher is quick and easy way to for you to start voice typing in a selected text field. It is off by default, but you can turn it on within the voice typing setting by pressing Windows key plus H to start voice typing, and then place it anywhere you would like your screen. The next thing is the improved touch gestures. Check out these new on-screen touch gestures for you to easily switch among apps and desktops with smooth transitions. The gestures are like the touchpad gestures, but have thoughtful improvements designed specifically for touch. Here is list you can try. The next thing is the pen menu. Pen menu, if you are using digital pen, you can open pen menu by clicking the pen icon at the lower right on your taskbar. If the pen icon is not there, you can enable it by right clicking on the taskbar and going to the taskbar settings to enable by default. It contains 2 apps which can be customized by clicking to gear buttons and selecting edit pen menu. In the flyout, you can add up to 4 of your favorite drawing or writing apps in the pen menu. To open them quickly, you are using the your pen. The next thing is language input switcher. The language input switcher, you can quickly switch between additional languages and keyboards via the switcher. A switcher will show up at the lower right on your taskbar next to the quick settings. You can also use keyboard shortcut Windows key plus spacebar to toggle between the input methods. To add additional languages and the keyboards, go to the settings, times and language regions. The next thing is the display improvement. Dynamic refresh rate allows your PC to automatically boost the refresh rate when you are thinking or scrolling which means you will be get smoother experience and lower when you don't need it to, so that your laptop can save power. You can try out DRR on your laptop via settings, systems, then display, advanced display, and under choose refresh rate. Select dynamic refresh rate. DRR is being rolled out, and select laptops running the latest Windows 11 Insider preview builds, and only on the laptops with the right display hardware and graphics driver will have the feature about available. So the next thing is the settings. Microsoft designed settings to be beautiful, easy to use, and inclusive for of all your Microsoft experience. In Windows 11, settings has left-handed navigation and persist between pages, and we have and they have added the breadcrumbs as you navigate deeper into the settings to help you know where you are and not lose your place. Settings pages are also all new with the new hero control at the top, and highlights key information and frequently used settings for you to adjust as you need. These new hero controls span access several category pages like system, Bluetooth and devices, network and internet, personalization, accounts, and Windows update. We all and they also have added expandable boxes for the pages with a lot of settings. Viewers, this was all about the Windows 10, the Windows 11 overview. If you have learned something new, please share this video with your friends, and feel free to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much for watching, and bye for now.